Hello guys and welcome to this video. From this video, we are starting a new topic that is stable diffusion. Now, let us first understand that what is stable diffusion and why it is important in our life. Okay, so basically, as you can see, that stable diffusion is nothing but a latent text to image, right, generator. So it's in if in a single line I have to describe it, so it is nothing but a text to image generator, right? So what does it do? It is capable of generating photo which is realistic images, right? These are realistic images, right, with any text input. So any input that you can imagine, okay, any of the input that you can imagine, this can generate the image for that. Okay, so it cultivates the autonomous freedom to produce incredible imagery and like what are billions of images online for free. Okay, so yeah, here you have to type your email, like type your prompt. So maybe my first prompt. Okay, and then you can give your filters over here, like what style of image you want to add, right? What is the aspect ratio that you want to keep, whether you want a square image or a rectangle image or a portrait image, like what type of image do you want to have, right? So all you can give it from here, and you can just simply click on draw to generate the image. Okay, also, here are some examples that you can see that these are some generated image. Okay, so as you can see, moon astronaut hatching. So this is moon astronaut hatching is the image, as you can see over here. If I just copy this prompt and try to generates another image, so maybe it can generate a similar kind of image for me, maybe not. And like again, these are the HD quality 4K quality images, right? So when it comes to stable diffusion, it can give you 4K quality of images, provided you should have a premium version of it. But in a free version, it will give you like 720p or like 1080p quality. That is also not that bad. Okay, that image quality is also good. But yeah, if you want a 4K quality like this, then of course you need to get a paid version for it. Okay, so these are certain images which if you want to edit these images, you can just click on and you can go to open in editor to edit these images, right? And if you want anything else, then you can just see less and all those things, you can go there. Now, making your dream come true, easy to use, high quality images, GPU available, fast generation. Yeah, so generation is really very fast. Like it will just take, I guess, 1 or 2 seconds, I guess. Yeah, 1 or 2 or 3 seconds it will take to generate an image. That is again a fast rendering. Okay, so your data is anonymous and freedom is there as per their portal. Now I don't know. Okay, so they have certain better prompts as well, right? So they have certain prompt database if you want to explore. So these are certain images. If you want to search for an image, so maybe if I search for Virat, so I would be getting, yeah. So we have some Virat Kohli prompts, right? So you can see Virat Kohli enjoying pizza. Okay, so yeah, these are some prompts, right? Prompt database. If you want to see certain prompts, you can come here and guys, come on. You can see these images, of course. Okay, so yeah, this was the prompt database. And what else, so these are some FAQs. So if you still have any doubts in like what is stable diffusion, how it works and all, you can come to here. Now let us start by logging in. So I will you first have to log in, and you can do continue with Google. So oath is available, so you can simply continue with Google, and it will be done. Okay, yeah. So for the first time, you will get 10 credits, right? 10 free credits, which will reset in 24 hours. So yeah, now we have two options over here. One is text to image, and the other one is image to image. If you want to download a mobile app, you can simply download that as well. And over here, we have certain things. The first thing over here is that prompt generate, a prompt type. You just have to type your prompt input, right? Input field. So you just have to give your prompt over here in this input field. Then comes your add a negative prompt. So guys, always remember negative prompt when it comes to image generation. Okay, negative prompts are very important, because image generation is something which again, it keeps whatever you have said, it keeps that thing in your in his mind, okay. But it tries to add on its own product creativity, okay. It tries to add on its own creativity, its own productivity, which can lead to a misleading output, okay. So negative prompts are always preferred, okay. Now don't worry how to write negative prompt, how to write this prompt, perfect prompt. I'll tell you in like 1 or 2 videos again, okay. So don't worry about that. Now what is the style of image that you want? It's a default kind of a image, none image, or maybe like photographic, like classic photographic image, or like fantasy, or like whatever style that you want. There are some more styles, as you can see over here: line art and doodle art, sketch, or like anything that you want to you want your image to be in. You can just choose these. Aspect ratio, if you want a landscape image or a portrait image or a squared image, the aspect ratio you can check from here. And number of images, you want one image or two image, you can check it over here. Then comes my advanced, okay. So advanced option, so basically guidance scale should always be at 7. Now what do I mean by guidance scale? What is this guidance scale, okay? So this guidance scale helps you in, whether you are getting a distorted image or maybe a some blurry image, or like okay, so this is responsible for that. So 7 is a number where you will always get a balanced image. Okay, so 7 is a number where you will always get a balanced image. So make sure ki we are keeping this guidance scale at 7 only, not less, not more, and using this use fixed seed as maybe 7 I can do. Is it same? Determination number of random number generator. So let's not choose this. Okay, let's not use this seed. Okay. So yeah, I guess that is something for the like overview of this portal, how this portal looks like, what you have to do, what you don't have to do, and how this portal will work. Okay. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. In the next video, we will start generating the prompts. Yeah, in the next video, we will start generating the images from our prompt. Okay. Okay, then yeah, I guess that's it for this video. We'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.